Well friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Legend of Khiimori game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, now go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, move to the next method. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues again, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files. Now click on verify integrity of game files. Now this may take some time, so wait for it. After verifying the game files, launch the game and then check. Next is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. But if it doesn't resolve the issue, then run the game as administrator. For that, right click on it and click on properties. Now click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again, come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If the issue again continues, come back, again select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. But if the issue continues again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application. After selecting it, add the game to the list. Now after adding the game, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you are suggested to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to update your graphics cards. So you must ensure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair, click on yes and wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, press Windows +R and have to type msconfig, press enter. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services. After that, click on hide all of my Microsoft services. Click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Here also you have to select the application. After that, click on disable. After that, go back, click on OK, and finally launch the game and then check if this process helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics cards. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. Now after that, here you have to click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings. Now here you have to turn off real-time protection. After this, again go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check. But later on again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. But if the issue continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the Legend of Khiimori game. For that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall the Legend of Khiimori game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve the Legend of Khiimori game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.